We're making a egg cake. As you can see. It look like a. You gotta put the camera on me, man. It look like a bread, but actually it's gonna be a cake maybe in 40 minutes. But well, we don't know. It's probably look like it's fried underneath instead of bacon. Yeah, well, God, if you help me this one, I'm gonna be a good boy. Really good boy. So, that's our cake. And,
That's Arlon cake because he made it.
okay, I made it. But I made him bread.
Look at this shit. Del 1 al 10, no sé qué puntaje darle. Ya lo probé. Está muy rico. Posiblemente. Posiblemente una diarrea fija, una indigestión, 3 días en el hospital. 2 semanas de reposo. Tratamiento intensivo por 6 meses. Un lavado estomacal. Feo, pero sobrevivirán. Yo sé que sí. El chef del año.
A wheat cake. We're making a wheat